that's where I'm headed right now. I don't know how much filming I'm gonna do on the food tour because I kind of just want to enjoy their company, but I'll show you a little bit. So these are the kind of tours that I love when you're just caught up in the moment and you forget to film. So I didn't get a lot of footage of food, but I definitely recommend if you come to Vietnam to check out Dinh Cafe or Cafe Dinh. It has a lot of history if you look into it, and the coffee, if you want to try the egg coffee. Egg and coffee are not my thing, but surprisingly I love egg coffee, and this is the place to try it. This is the best place to drink it. Also, I have a really interesting story for you guys about nitrous oxide that I'll have to tell you sometime. Pretty much it ends with me and a black eye high on nitrous oxide. This store is really cute. They have really cute designs, like all their clothing. While you're in Vietnam, you can't avoid taking a step into some of the shops, and some of my favorite are definitely the antique shops. I love seeing the different things they have, and I'm just an antique girl all the way, so you can keep me in here for hours and I won't complain. I love this kind of stuff.
Compact.
Yeah. Like a makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like it's a,
Oh
looks
my
like a phone.
gosh. It does. Oh, you're so cute.
Thank you.
We're strolling around, seeing all the things. Now he's this escalated. I turn around and then you're holding it. Oh my gosh.
Just said bye-bye to them.
Oh, it's so cute. I know. Oh my gosh.
Dirty ears.
So cute.
Beautiful, thank you.
The best part of the tour so far. Yeah.
She's not happy. She's not unsure.
Yeah, her ears are back, she's not happy.
She's like, nope. We're just passing by this place and it looks like they make shoes here. They have like the rubber soles and all of the whole inside is lined with shoe material. It's actually interesting to see it like that.
You need one of these for the garden that we're going to have.
pulled out a chair for him and everything. They have lots of games and stuff on the street, and they have little molds. I love this. The design is so cute.
Và banana stem. Và đây là long life.
Apparently it means long life.
Long life?
Long, healthy life.
Oh. Oh. I love how she was holding it out for us. All the stamps for those stamp lovers out there.
Nice interior design.
Yeah, I love looking at stuff like this. Yeah. That's how she weighs it. It's a little scale. It's cute. This street is the sewing street. They have lots of things for making clothes. These are all the buttons. This whole street is lined with sewing shops. Come on.
Hương ơi! Hương ơi! Hương ơi! Hương! Rồi, rồi, rồi.
I mean, aren't those boxes?
Oh my gosh. They're so cute. They're stylish. They have lots of zippers and stuff on the street. Mainly like zippers and little pieces for clothing. If you're a crafty person, this street is definitely for you. These look like they're bra cups. So if anyone's making a bra, you know where to come. There's so much stuff. They have beads, buttons, so many options. This shop has patches and tons of like embroidered patches and different things.
Hard lager pens at the bottom of the leg. Upside down. Someone like smiles in there.
This is the thing, we don't look up enough.
Yeah, you need to look up.
You know, I could easily live in a place like this. I lived in London, I lived in Vienna, I lived in Bulgaria.
If you have a sweet tooth, I definitely recommend you take a seat on one of the street stalls and enjoy some Vietnamese dessert. This one is te. It is a Vietnamese, very delicious kind of like jelly mix, and it's so good. I'll have to make a full-on video about this explaining each ingredient for you guys, but it's really delicious and a definite treat. Cheers.
Very good. Tasty. Very good.
Super.
You say none.
None?
None. That means delicious. You guys, how cute! Hi, cutie. Oh my gosh, are you real? Are you real? Oh my gosh! Hi, cutie. Look at the paws. I know. I mean the little shoes. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. I need a puppy. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's flying. Oh, look at that.
It's got a soft little tongue.
Yeah. Hi, cutie. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute.
Thank you.
Come on. And that's exactly when I died. Cheers. Cheers.
No idea. No idea.
Cheers. Cheers. These are mittens for driving your motorbike. Just like the man over here, he has mittens on his bike. They look like boxing gloves. Yeah. Yeah. These are live toads.
Cái lúc gần đi đấy. Cái lúc gần đi cái mặt này là khách này. Nó nhìn phát tao biết này tao gọi tất cả. Gọi hết cả nhà vào đi. Đi rồi đấy. Nó nhìn nó mà biết không?
Doesn't want to be in there.
Em ơi dám đặt cả cái chợ lang thang này đi chơi kìa.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. When I say you see the most interesting things in Vietnam, I swear, I'm not lying. You have fake flowers in the tree. I just love walking around and exploring here because you can see so many things. Yeah, it smells familiar. Yeah. Take a moment to take in all of the scenes, including the beautiful street art, and make sure to enjoy a little bit of coconut coffee while you relax. Can someone tell us, where does that door lead to? Another world? I know, another dimension. Or to your death. For anyone who does crocheting or knitting or weaving, this place is heaven for you. There's tons of yarn. So for those of you who are looking for a place to buy yarn, now you know where to go. And here's to the best catchy slogan, where your dong is safe in our hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment. Where are you right now, and what do you see on a daily basis? Comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I want to give a special shout out to my patrons. Thank you guys so much. And if you would like to become a patron on Patreon, be sure to check the link in the description box. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.